Today I'm going to show you how to set up Dr. Brown's drying tower. I will have a link in the description below for this tower and for some bottles and cleaning equipment. First, what you want to do is take the box and just open it up. And then we can remove all the pieces from inside. So you should have the tower part, the base, and then this is the cover that goes over the base, and you'll have a bag with the shelves and instructions in them. First, you want to grab the base and make sure that the logo is facing you and upright. Next, you'll grab the tower and align these pins into the slots and push down firmly. Once it clicks in, you're good to go there. Next, we'll take our tray and just drop it in. That's good. This is removable, so you can take the water and dump it out. Next, you want to open your bag with the trays. And you'll grab the trays here. There'll be 2 of them. And you want to make sure that this ridge on this is facing upward. You don't want it to be downward like this. But we'll take this ridge, and there are some channels right here. We will start it from one side, and then you have to push these little tabs in for it to go in. So you do the first one, get it lined up. Then the next one, and that should pop in like so. And then you can do the same thing for the second one. And once that pops in, you're good to go. If you thought this video was useful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.